Welcome back to the Dankamus channel. Today we got some things to look over. Got some car culture. Got the 73 Volvo, 72 Mercedes, the Lamborghini Urus. Got the Halloween mix, which includes the full series. We'll go through that. Got a couple Johnny Lightnings. 1955 Chevy 210. And then we also got the new Matchbox Porsche 911 RSR. Take a look at that. Alright. Start with this Halloween mix. And the first one we got is the 33 Ford Lowboy. There's the back. Let's crack it open. '32 Lowboy, Sugar Skull. Got the skull wheels. This thing is tiny. Alright. Next up, number 2, we got the 2014 Corvette Stingray. I think they all have the skull wheels on them. Alright, let's crack it open. And here we got it. The purple wheels. Just side tampos. Got the purple interior. Just the bottom. Pretty sweet little car there. Next up, we got number 3 out of the set, which is the 2016 Camaro SS. Let's crack it open. Here it is. Nice little Camaro. There's the bottom. Number 4 of the set. 71 Mavic Grabber. The base. That's pretty cool. I like that one. And then Last of the set, we have the King Cuda. And there's the King Cuda. The blown motor sticking out. Chrome interior. Here's the base. Alright, next up, let's get into these car cultures. Let's start off with the Lamborghini Urus Autostrasse. That's the back of the card. Alright. There's the base. Really like the wheels in this one. Got the 5 spokes. Lamborghini Urus. Next up, let's open up the 72 Mercedes-Benz 280 SEL 4.5. There we go. Really like the wheels in this one. There's the base. The Benz 280 on the plate. See that one stands. All right, next up, let's take a look at the 73 Volvo 142 GL. There's card art. There we have it, the Volvo. There's the base. Alright, let's take a look at some Johnny Lightnings. This is at a release 2. Got the version A and the version B, one of 7148. Alright, let's take a look at version A first, which is this yellow one. Comes with the storage tin. Nice little tin there. It's pretty cool. Here we go. Does it have an opening head? I think it does. It does. And there's the opening head. Some detail. Got the like teal interior. '50s on the plate. And there's the base. Oh, we got a problem with the wheels on this one. A little flat. Wow, that wheel's not round. Does not roll well. Alright, let's take a look at the version B. And screen. Again, we got the tin. Rubber tires. Here we go, we got the engine. This one's got the gray interior. This one kind of rolls. A little bumpy. And then next up, we got the Matchbox Porsche 911 RSR. Very excited about this one. Here we go. Here we got it. Woo. Matchbox 911 RSR. This thing is sweet. bottom of it. And this thing's closed shut pretty good. Alright, thank you for watching the channel. Let me pick some favorites. Definitely gonna be the Porsche. Like the Maverick Graveler. Let's see, the Volvo. Can't go wrong with a Mercedes. Alright, comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching the channel.